I found this really cool platform that creates AI avatars that look real, that talk real, and you can even make your own avatar from your own photo or just a video of yourself. If you don't want to use your own photo, you want to create an AI influencer or something like that, it's also possible. They have over 2000 different avatars, or you can upload your own image like I did, and I'm going to show you exactly in this video how I did it. So let's jump in. Alright, so here I'm at aistudios.com, and what I want to do is I want to create a talking avatar. Now, I've made already the image for the talking avatar. Let me show you here. This is the girl I created with Google Nano Banana Pro. I just added some prompts to create the whole setting, the background, her face, and everything else like the microphone, etc. So if you want to know this prompt, just let me know in the comments and I will share this prompt to create her. But what I did was I created there with Nano Banana. You can do that here with also AI image generations, but I'm gonna go directly to AI avatars because I want to make an avatar out of her that is actually real. So we want to create a custom avatar. We want to create a photo avatar actually. So let's click on photo avatar and I'm gonna import her photo here. And then we're gonna wait until this is uploaded and then we're gonna make it a real talking avatar. All right, the photo is uploaded and let's click on generate. Then we can also select a template. We can also select if you want vertical or horizontal. We want to use it in a template like that, but I've already did that. I created my own background, so I'm going to use vertical exactly as I created this with Google's Nano Banana Pro actually. And then let's just click on create and let's name her Jane and let's make sure it's a female and then create. Now, I don't want to use her voice because I don't have a female voice, so I can't use my own voice. But if you want to use your own voice, you can start recording your voice here. You're going to see some text. Then you can read out the text and it's going to generate your voice with AI. So this is if you want to generate like an avatar from yourself and not like a avatar that you created with AI, right? So I'm going to skip this and I'm going to select a voice and we can select an AI voice here. So let's go through these voices and then let's see which one we want to use. We can just listen to the voice. Let's say I want to use this voice. I will select this one and I will click on close and let's apply this voice for now. Then we can create this avatar. So basically we already created our AI avatar. On the right side, we can add a script. So if you have text that you want her to say, just copy paste it here. I'm going to use this as an example, like AI Studios, AI powered platform, etc. Let's use this as a script. By the way, if you want to fine tune your script, you can also like add pauses in between. If you want to say here something exactly with pauses between words, you can also add effects here. If you want to have different effects in your video, etc. So let me remove this for now. And if you are not sure about the voice that you picked in the previous one, you can go here to the voice and you can change it to another voice. They have a lot of voices available here. You can also select different languages, etc. So it's all up to you. Then if you want to listen to the voice with your own script, just click on play and it's gonna say this script out loud so you can check it out if it's all perfect. Now, once you got everything set up, I'm gonna export this video. Here we have the settings, we have the language. I'm gonna go with 4K. I'm gonna export the whole video and let's click on export. All right, the export is done and let's just have a look at the result.
AI Studios is an AI-powered platform focused on virtual humans and generative AI tools.
Now, there is another really cool feature and that is AI dubbing. If you look at the homepage here, you can see AI dubbing. You can translate AI video into any language and it's gonna automatically lip sync that video. So if you upload one video, it's gonna change your lips to another language and also the audio. And then you have one video into multiple languages and you don't need to learn the language. So you just simply upload your video or just give an URL of your video, let's say YouTube video, and it's gonna translate your video to the other language. So let's say I wanna translate my YouTube video. I will put my YouTube video here. Then we have the options for the video. We can select auto detect or select a language which your video is. You can also upload an SRT file. Then we select a target language and this is the language the video will be. And if we scroll through the languages, look how many languages this video can be. So you can make all these kind of languages from your own video. Then you also have an option to AI premium lip sync. So basically it's gonna make your lip movements professional like a real video. You can also add subtitles, remove background music and some dynamic duration. And once you have set everything up, just export this as a new video and you have your video ready. Now there is one more thing that I want to show you and that is the interactive video. So instead of just watching a video, you can also make your video with clickable points or external URLs just to make your video interactive interactive. For example, this is good if you have quiz videos, like maybe in a course or on your website, or just for training videos. So let's go back to the first video I created. I'm gonna go to edit because I want to edit this video again. And on the left side, we have interaction. And here we can create interactions of our video. And here you can create like a quiz. You can change the font. You can do external URLs, etc. just to make your video interactive with your visitors. So that's pretty much it. It's really easy to use. Just try it out yourself. I'll put the link in the description of the video, and there you can try it out yourself. And you don't need any knowledge about AI or writing prompts or anything like that. Everything is super simple with a user-friendly interface. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.